Police in Aurora, Illinois are responding to reports of an active shooter at a manufacturing plant called the Henry Pratt Company. Aurora, Illinois is 40 miles west of Chicago. Students in the West Aurora district are now in a soft lockdown as a precaution. We are looking to confirm details from the scene. We're going to bring it to you as soon as it breaks. Let me tell you a little bit about the Henry Pratt Company. It is a manufacturer of valves for water, wastewater, power generation, industrial markets. It's actually a company, it's a subsidiary of a company called Mueller Water Products, which is a publicly traded company that's headquartered in Atlanta. This is a company that's been in the Aurora area since 1903. So it's a big deal in the Aurora area. Aurora is a well-known sort of a suburb of Chicago, Illinois. We don't have a lot of information right now, but what we do know is that the students, as I said, at the West Aurora School District are in a soft lockdown, but we do not have any information about a shooter anywhere near a school. The shooting that we are getting reports on are from the Henry Pratt Company. Police are only saying that the company staff were at the site. We do not know of injuries. So let me just first tell you about the school, because we always worry about school shootings. West Aurora School District says all students are being held in place for their safety after reports of the active shooter. Per the direction from the county sheriff, the district has been advised to go into soft lockdown across the district. Teaching is going to continue. Normal operations will be removed. Normal operations will resume only once police have let them know that there is that the scene is safe, but no one is allowed to leave or enter the school buildings until the lockdown has been lifted. Okay, so that's that part of it. Now let's go back to where the shooting actually is at the Henry Pratt Company. Here's what we know very little right now. Illinois State Police are sending troopers to the scene, but the initial response was from police in the city of Aurora. They sent out a tweet moments ago that said, "Alert, there is an active shooter near Highland and Archer." Aurora police are on the scene. More information will be available soon. 401 Highland Avenue, for those of you who know the area, is where the Henry Pratt Company is. This is, again, just so you know the context we have, we often hear about shooters because you hear the reports of how many people get shot on a daily basis. Every now and then something happens that makes us fear that it is yet more serious than the daily occurrences of shootings that occur in the United States. And that's the kind of thing that's happening here. The police are saying, they're calling it an active shooter. There are all sorts of unconfirmed reports, which we don't like to report until we get more information. But it is the kind of thing that gives us pause and makes us say, hold on, let's just break away for a second and pay attention to what's happening. Aurora is outside of Chicago. It is not Chicago police who are responding. It's Aurora police who are responding. But the Illinois State Police have said that they are sending troopers to the scene. Again, it's the Henry Pratt Company. What we know from police, we know very little. That there are staff in the building. They have sent Aurora Police Command staff to the site, which means to me that they're setting up a command center, which police often do when they believe something is fairly serious. Now, what we are waiting to get is reports from fire, from EMT, from hospitals in the area about what's going on. And what we haven't got is that information yet. But we are getting various unconfirmed reports of an active shooter.
Hey there, I'm Chris Hayes from MSNBC. Thanks for watching MSNBC on YouTube. If you want to keep up to date with the videos we're putting out, you can click subscribe just below me or click over on this list to see lots of other great videos.